Concrete inspection. Concrete is different in many areas of the country. Some concrete is especially hard, which will require extra etching to provide an anchor for your RockSolid Floors polyurea primer body coat. If you have soft and chalky concrete or areas of concrete that have spalling, chipping, or cracking, use the RockSolid Floors patch kit or a commercial grade repair product to repair and level out the floor prior to coating. The RockSolid Floors Safe Etch solution is used to open the pores of the concrete, thus providing the proper adhesion required for a long-lasting floor. The etching is required on all uncoated concrete floors, either new or old. While the etching will clean the concrete, cleaning is done prior to etching using a professional grade degreaser. Thoroughly sweep out all dust and dirt on the floor and apply a mist of water to the surface. The concrete should accept the water evenly and consistently across the entire surface to be coated. If there are areas of beading on the surface, it represents a possible contamination like oil, wax, or tire dressing. These areas will need to be cleaned with a full concentrate of a professional grade degreaser. Scrub the area with a stiff bristle broom, rinse and inspect again. If water continues to bead on the surface, retreat the stain and scrub again until water no longer beads in that area. Once you have determined the water is no longer beading on the surface, you are now ready to etch the concrete. Please see recommended safety practices located on the container. Slowly add 1 quart of the RockSolid Safe Etch solution to 3 quarts of water in a plastic watering can, 1 gallon total. Working in a 10-foot by 10-foot section, pour out the etch solution evenly on the floor. Scrub the solution around with a stiff bristle broom. The etching solution should fizz for about 4 to 5 minutes while being scrubbed. If the concrete does not fizz, it means there is sealer on the floor and must be chemically or mechanically removed. When fizzing stops, rinse off the solution and move on to the next section. When all sections are completed, rinse 3 times and scrub with a stiff bristle broom while rinsing. Do not leave pooled water on the floor. Let the floor dry at least 2 to 4 hours or overnight with the door open so air will move over the surface. Use a squeegee, wet dry vacuum, or a fan to speed up the drying process. It is imperative that the floor be completely dry before applying any coating. Failure to follow this warning will create application issues and possible product failure.